Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Let's Skate, and we are here at a beautiful pump track somewhere in the Netherlands. I don't know where I am, but doesn't matter. Right now it looks like that. I got the new Superveloce this name, Superveloce Sam Crofts edition. And right now I have the 60mm flat set up on it, but for the pump track it's not the right thing. So it's time to change the wheels and put the 90mm on it and enjoy the first session in the Superveloces on the pump track. So let's do that.
Is there a reason why you went for the 4x90? Also have 80, 84, 100.
100 is personally for my taste too big, and I have also small feet. I have in Adapts the 39. So I had back in the days 4x80, which was the minimum for big wheeling, which makes sense actually for me. And then I tried, like on the GTOs there are the 84 and 90 in the back, and I start to like it in the GTOs, but there is also heel lift. So I decided to try the 90mm flat. I think it fits perfect on my size. It's not too big, it's not too small, and it's also not too high. That's what I don't like, the bigger wheels, because of it's just dangerous for the ankles in my head. Even, for example, on this setup I would like to try some tricks sometimes, and then I feel more safe with smaller wheels than on high heels. And now I think for the pump track 90mm is perfect, I think. Ooh. Ooh.
Cool.
Okay, pump track session is over. It felt very good. It's the first time I use an aggressive skate on a pump track, and I have to say it feels very light, the whole setup, and I had a lot of fun. And now it's time to drink some water because summer is back in the game, and let's skate soon.